Hey everyone, that is here with a new successful wish purchase. This time I've got myself the Finecolour neutral grays sketch markers, alcohol based. They arrived today soundly, and I can say that I absolutely love them. They're very thin and light. I have a few other markers here that I often use, so you can see just how thin they are compared to these other ones. I mean, there's not a big difference here, but compared to the Spectrum Nars, for example, they're quite they're quite thin, and the grip is very nice. You know, when holding a thicker marker, your hand muscles can get tired quite easily. They have two tips, a fine tip, which is very fine, I may add. It's very pointy, thin, really good for detail. Uh, Let me just show you here real quick. Can get really thin lines with it. And a broad tip, which is, you know, your standard chisel. It's really good for covering big areas. The neutral grays start from number 1 to number 10, and for some reason it skips number 6, so it goes from 5 to 7, and I already tried them out, and I can say that the jump from 5 to 7 is pretty big, and it takes quite a while to blend these two, but otherwise the other nuances they blend very well. I went ahead and already tried them out. I have a sketch here. It's an almost 3D graffiti piece. Almost exclusively drawn with these Finecolour markers. Well, except for the background and the red part and also the white jelly roll highlights. But other than that, everything is done with these neutral grays, and you can tell that they blend really well, although they are pretty full and they tend to smear a bit, to spread a bit. Also they bleed quite heavily on the other side. All in all, the color is pretty even, it's pretty consistent, strong pigment, very vibrant. I think I'm gonna use these in a lot of my artworks as long as they keep going. You know, from my art supplies, the grays run out very fast, so you can never get enough of those. Overall, I would give them 5 out of 5 stars. It's not every day that I do this with markers. I have my fair share of really bad markers, but these ones, they really do the job. They are a really good alternative to Copic markers, even though the fine tip is not a brush tip. And as you can see, there's not much of an effort to blend them. They kind of do it by themselves. You know, because usually if you want to blend two colors, you'll first have to lay down the basic color, the lighter one, and then overlap some darker colors on it, and then return to your basic color to blend it. In this situation, what I had to do is slightly overlap the colors, and it does the blending instantly. I would definitely recommend this to beginner to intermediate artists for sketches. any Finecolour marker you get, it's a good purchase. I can guarantee that. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I hope this has been helpful to you, and if it was, please consider subscribing for more marker reviews and other relevant content. That's it from me. Peace.